Welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the login password and lock screen in Windows 11. This is very useful if you are the only person using your PC and want faster access without entering a password every time you start your system. This method works on most Windows 11 versions and does not require any third-party software. Before we begin, one important note. Removing the login password reduces security, so I recommend using this method only on a personal computer that you fully trust. If you're using a shared or office PC, it's better to keep the password enabled. Now let's start. First, go to the taskbar search and type netbulwiz, then press enter. This opens the user accounts window. Normally, you should see an option that says, users must enter a username and password to use this computer. However, in many Windows 11 systems, this option is missing by default. So if you don't see it, don't worry, we'll enable it manually. To do that, go back to the taskbar search and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Now, we need to run a simple command that enables the hidden option inside the user account settings. I'll paste this command, and you can also find it in the video description. regadd /microsoft/kernversion/Windows NT/password-device/t reg_d-word/d0/f. After pasting the command, press enter. If everything goes correctly, you'll see a message saying Operation completed successfully. This means the required registry value has been updated safely. Now close the command prompt. For the changes to fully apply, you need to restart your computer. Once your system restarts, go back to the taskbar search, type netbulwiz, and press enter again. This time, you should see the option, Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Uncheck this box, then click Apply. A new window will appear asking you to confirm your current account password. Enter your password, confirm it, and click OK. Then click OK again to close the user accounts window. Now your Windows 11 system is set to log in automatically without asking for a password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.